Are you trying to choose between beacons and card? You're in the right place. Today, we'll compare these two popular tools for creating online profiles. Both beacons and card help you build simple landing pages. They let you share links, showcase your work, and connect with your audience. But they do have some key differences. Let's start with beacons. This tool focuses on social media and link sharing. It's great for creators who want a quick way to connect their various platforms. You can customize your page easily, adding links, images, and even videos. Beacons is user friendly and perfect for those who want to set up something fast. Now, let's talk about card. Card is more versatile and allows for greater design freedom. You can create not just simple landing pages but also more complex websites. It offers a wide range of templates and customization options. If you like to play around with design, Card gives you that flexibility. When we look at the differences, Beacons is simpler and more straightforward. It's ideal for quick setups. Card, on the other hand, is better for users who want more features and design control. In terms of features, Beacons shines with its social media integration. It makes it easy to connect with followers. Card excels in customization, letting you create unique layouts. As for pricing, Beacons has a free version, but you may need to pay for extra features. Card also offers a free option with more advanced features available for a fee. So, which one should you choose? If you want something quick and easy, go with Beacons. If you are looking for more design options and features, Card is the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more content.